Beware, beware, be skeptical of the smiles, the plated gold. Deceit is so natural, but a wolf in cheap clothing is more than a warning. Bow, bow, black sheep, have you any soul? No sir, by the way, what the hell are morals? Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, deal the little whore and Alabama's dirty tricks. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day, you will pay, hey, karma's gonna come collect your debt. Aware, you stalk your prey with criminal mentality. You keep teaching to the people you depend on, affecting everyone, you're quite the problem. B54 from better run and hide. I smell the blood of a pet little cat. Jack be lethal, Jack be slick, Julie's lonely, dying in a filthy ditch. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day, you will pay, karma's gonna come collect your debt. Maybe you'll change, abandoning all your wicked ways, make amends and start a new day. Maybe you'll see all the wrong you did to me and start all over again. Who am I kidding? No, let's go over seriously. You always been a huge piece of shit. If I could kill you, I would. It's frowned upon all 50 states. Having said that, burn in hell. You will pay, karma's gonna come collect your debt. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Karma's gonna come collect your debt.